Right, this question is asking to find the cosine of 112.5 degrees. Now there's a variety of formulas to use. We can use the sum and difference formulas, double angle or half angle formulas, right? But we notice that 112.5, right, this is half of 225, okay? And also because of this decimal value here, right, probably don't want to use a double angle or sum and difference formula. Right, so let's write that out, right? What is the half angle formula for cosine? Okay, so the cosine of theta over 2 equals plus or minus radical 1 plus cosine of theta all over 2. Right? So we realize that, remember, we do not take half of 112.5. Okay, so what really this means is cosine of 112.5 is the cosine of 225 divided by 2. Okay, so the 225, right, this is the value of theta that we want to use in the formula itself. Okay, so if we rewrite the formula, right, this becomes plus or minus the square root of 1 plus the cosine of 225 and all of this divided by 2. Right, so in the formula itself, all we need to do, well, not all we need to do, but we just need to plug in whatever the cosine of 225 degrees is. Right, now obviously you got to be careful with your signs. Okay, so this is plus or minus. Cosine of 225 is negative 2 radical 2, so we want to put the 1 minus 2 radical 2, radical 2 over 2, and all of this divided by 2. Now, this radical we can simplify, okay, but we also have one more thing left to do. Well, we need to determine the sign, right? We need to determine if the answer is positive or negative, because it's not both, right? Well, to determine that, let's take a look. What is the original question? The original question is asking for the cosine of 112.5 degrees, and we know that this is in quadrant 2. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, in quadrant 2, we know that cosine is negative. Okay, so the final answer is the negative of radical 1 minus radical 2 over 2, all divided by 2.